Pause. Gojo, you have died because of me, and I am gonna revive you. First time ever. Since you are a teacher, you're gonna teach my little nephew how to become black. And then I'm just gonna revive you. That's all I'm gonna say. Gojo, you have been alive first time ever since I turned you to a little boy Kit Kat, okay? Now we need to teach my son how to become black and white. Because he's just staring at me. But, and then, Gojo, you are the most perfect person to teach my son, okay? You are the most perfect. But Sakuna, you literally turned me into a Kit Kat. I don't care. Don't stop yapping. What the hell is in behind you? What?